Regarding the suitability for domestic environments, people often ask us, what about the heat and what about the noise? Again, this is a misconception. It's an overhang from Bitcoin mining, which uses a different type of hardware, a different type of specialist hardware, which is designed for an industrial environment. If I was stood next to a rack of those, I'd be wearing ear protectors and going deaf. Here, as you can see, you can hear me just fine, and I'm just a few feet away from the mining rigs, which are on behind me at full tilt. Ultimately, it's absolutely fine to have these in a domestic environment. The noise is really not too much of an issue whatsoever, as is the heat, are all perfectly manageable and reasonable in domestic environments. We have many of these in offices, bedrooms, basements, commercial environments, domestic environments, and everything in between. So all of those things people are concerned about aren't necessarily always true. Here you have a device that you can turn down the fan speed to make it a bit quieter. You can reduce the electric to make it a bit more energy efficient. All of these tweaks we do as a business for all of our clients. So ultimately what you're left with is a machine which will quite happily run itself in a corner of a room without really any type of fuss or any type of disturbance. And that's one of the reasons why this type of equipment is so popular.